This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Figma design for a mobile app. First, open Figma and select a mobile artboard, typically around 375 pixels wide by 812 pixels high for common devices. Next, establish a robust design system by creating reusable components for buttons, input fields, and navigation bars. This foundational step saves significant time and ensures consistency across all your screens. Finally, map out your user journey to understand the necessary screens and interactions. Now, let's dive into designing the actual user interface elements. Focus on creating clear and intuitive navigation. A bottom tab bar works well for up to 5 primary destinations. Select a harmonious color palette, perhaps 3 to 5 main colors, and choose 1 or 2 legible font families. Remember to make interactive elements, like buttons, large enough for easy tapping, ideally at least 44 by 44 pixels, to ensure a great user experience. With your screens designed, it's time to bring them to life through prototyping. Use Figma's Prototype tab to link your screens, simulating how a user would navigate through the app. Experiment with different transitions and animations, like Smart Animate, to create a smooth and engaging experience. Always test your prototype directly on a mobile device. This helps you catch any usability issues and refine the interactions for a truly native feel. Finally, prepare your design for the development team. Organize your Figma file meticulously, naming layers clearly and grouping related elements. Utilize Figma's Inspect panel for developers to easily access specifications like colors, fonts, and measurements. Actively seek user feedback through usability testing. Even 5 users can reveal 85% of your core usability problems. Use this valuable input to iterate and continuously improve your mobile app design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.